Enjoy the convenience of complete command from both your smartphone and your smart home with the Husqvarna Automower Connect app, freeing you from the task of mowing your lawn with the reliability to always achieve a premium cut. With the Automower Connect app, you can follow its every move. The connectivity is designed to make your mower an integrated part of your smart home. You can use it in digital routines or take full advantage of its open API. By connecting Automower to the Gardena smart system, watering and mowing will cooperate to keep your lawn green and healthy. For flexible and tailored zone control, a virtual map of your lawn is created in the app. Create and name work areas, apply custom time schedules and cutting heights to each area, or create stay-out zones in which Automower will not go. Complete customizable lawn maintenance is available with virtual boundaries via satellite-based technology, ensuring easy installation and adjustment of your work area and zones via the app. If Automower encounters a temporary obstacle and suddenly stops, you will immediately receive a notification so you can easily solve the problem. Theft protection by GPS means that you can track your mower's GPS position via the app and will receive a notification if the mower is lifted or moved outside your predefined geofence area. Automower models with either Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity include access to the Automower Connect app. Visit Husqvarna.com for more information. Make your lawn care as carefree as possible with the Automower Connect app.